built this house out of necessity because the house I was living in burned down. It was a mobile home, and I was in the process of remodeling it. And of course, everything burned, my family pictures and clothes and furniture, everything I had burned in that thing. I had no insurance. So I decided, instead of going out and buying something, that I'm going to build from scratch. And that's what I did. I went out and got a graph paper that you get at Walmart or anywhere, and it has the little squares in it. And I started drawing this floor plan, and I came up with a really good floor plan with good traffic flow, good zoning. The bedroom is zoned, quiet zone from the living room. You cannot see the toilet from the front door or any living space in the house. In fact, you can't see into the bathroom at all. I really don't like these small houses where you walk in the front door, and if somebody leaves the bathroom door open, you can see the toilet. To me, that's a comfort issue. It's uncomfortable for the home dweller, and it's uncomfortable for the visitor when they walk in to see a toilet in a bathroom first thing. It's just, you just don't want to do that. So I've designed all these little houses that I built so that you walk in and they have an inviting feel. There's now this one, you can see into the bedroom from the front door. Of course, you can't see the laundry or the bathroom from the living space or the entry at all. But I try to make them where you can't even see into the bedroom from the front door. That's another comfort issue. If somebody's sleeping in the bed, you leave the door open and you invite somebody in the front door, you don't want them seeing somebody sleeping in the bed. So you don't have to compromise those comfort aspects of a design just because you're building small. There's some cases where, if you're building 200 square feet and you're trying to put everything in there, it's almost impossible to zone things around where it is. You do have that privacy, but this is 530 square feet, and I've basically accomplished designing something that has the feel of a larger house. It has the comfort features of a larger house. It has a foyer entry. You can go to any room in the house without going through another room. It actually has a bedroom hallway where you go from the entry to the hallway, and from there you go to either the bedroom or the bathroom. The kitchen is open to the living room, and I like that. I like an open plan where kitchen, dining room, and living room are open. And so, I hate a house where you have the TV going and people in the living room, and you get up and you go into the kitchen, and instantly, because you're in the kitchen, you're cut off from everything. You can't see the TV. You can't keep up with the program that's going on. So in that case, if you want to keep up with the TV program, you have to put it on pause, and everybody has to sit there and wait for you to finish what you're doing in the kitchen, so you come back into the room to watch TV. Well, in an open plan, you don't have to do that. You can get up, you can go get your drink or your ice and come back, sit down, continue, just uninterrupted movie. You're not interrupting everybody else, and you don't have to come in and get everybody bring you up to date on the conversation that occurred in the past 2 minutes that you were gone. So an open concept is very modern, and it's in my opinion, it's just a better way to design a home where you're going to just live in it every day. If you live in something every day, you want these comfort features, you want these comfort things going on in the design. So when you look at the plan, notice that everything is pretty much zoned And even though it is only 530 square feet, the house has only cost me $20,000. I think it's a pretty doggone good design.